first gonna just wipe away this concealer because it's making a mess. Hi friends, long time no see. It's so good to see you guys again. I took a week-long break, and if you are new, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. My name is Jane, also known as Breath of Beauty, and today I'm going to be testing out a weird little tool that is supposedly supposed to give you a beautiful and effortless cut crease. Will this work for Asian eyes like mine? I don't know. We're about to find out. So if you guys want to see me just trying this wonky tool out, then just keep on watching. So this is by the brand called Foera, and it's kind of similar to how Sephora is like spelled. You know, I think it's just missing like an S or something. Probably missing another letter too. But this is apparently the magic eyeshadow stamp crease, and I found this on Amazon. And I've seen other videos trying this tool out. Obviously I have Asian eyes, so I was just wondering, I wonder if this actually works for eyes like mine. So I decided to, you know, just kind of give it a try and see how it works out. I'm kind of already thinking that it's not gonna work out, but who knows? I might be really surprised. So about the product, it helps make precise eyeshadow designs for creative new looks, make precise makeup designs for special occasions or everyday wear, for beginners and the creative makeup artist. And the features are universally wearable, suitable for all occasions, easy to use, and done in seconds. I gotta sneeze. Whew, excuse me. And on the back of this box, there's instructions in Spanish, which it's been years since I've used my Spanish, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to understand anything. But basically the tool looks like this. It's almost reminds you of, like, you know, those perfume, old-fashioned perfume bottles that like you spritz it. It looks like kind of in the profile of an eye, like an eyelid, right? And I believe this is supposed to be the top, like your crease profile, and then this will go along the lash line. It's supposed to like fit like right like that and stamp it on to create that cut crease look. So first I'm just gonna take my concealer here. It's just this Wet n Wild concealer. I believe I'm gonna go for not a full cut crease look because I'm kind of nervous to like stamp on a whole bunch of, you know, concealer onto my eyes. So I'm gonna just start with like the half cut crease look. So I'm just gonna apply it to like half of this surface right here. And just to let you know, this is like really like squishy and like really flexible. It's made of almost like silicone or some sort of like rubbery plasticky material. Alright, so let's just go ahead and try this. I'm a little skeptical, as you can see, but I'm gonna apply some concealer to this end. I don't know, you guys, this isn't really applying like a nice smooth layer. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Okay, I applied a little more product and it looks like it's working out better. Alright, let's just try this. We're just gonna go for it, you guys. It might be like an epic fail. And I'm just gonna stamp this onto my right eye because I want the cut crease area to be on the inner corner of my eye. So, oh my gosh, I'm kind of nervous. I'm gonna take my mirror. Moment of truth, here I go. You know what, you guys? This isn't half bad. I was honestly expecting a lot worse. This is not bad at all, actually. Let me just apply it again. Huh, this is really not bad at all. Huh, and I'm just gonna blend out the harsh edges over here. And supposedly you can also apply like glitter onto this little tool and stamp it on, but I don't know if I do that because glitter doesn't seem to be a good product to kind of smear on here and stamp on. I don't know, I'd rather just put concealer on and then like put like glitter on top of it or some sort of a topper on top of it. This is surprisingly working so far. I was not expecting this because like the Amazon description explicitly stated that it was meant for like Western eyes or like Caucasian eyes. I was like, huh, I'm gonna test that on my eyes and see if it works, and I'm really surprised that it's like not half bad, you know? I'm a little dumbfounded right now. You know what I've decided? I did my half cut crease, but now I'm thinking I'm gonna do this whole thing. Am I going a little crazy? It might be, but you guys, this is why I filmed this video, because if anything, you guys will get a laugh out of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and smear this entire thing with concealer and see if this will work on my entire lid to create a full cut crease. You guys, I'm going fearless mode today, no looking back, and see how this works out. And I'm gonna pay special attention to like the edges over here because that's where the cut crease crisp line needs to be. It's a little bit difficult to apply the concealer for sure. Okay, here we go, you guys. Here we go. So I have this completely applied in concealer. As you can see, it's kind of patchy. Hopefully it won't look horrible. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp this onto my eye. Moment of truth. Oh gosh. This just looks ridiculous, doesn't it? Okay. It's looking a little messy, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix the edges with this brush. I'm thinking it didn't help that I had concealer on the top edge of this tool. That probably messed me up pretty bad. Just gonna wipe that away. So I kind of went ahead and smoothed out kind of the awful rugged edges with this brush a little bit, and it's looking a little better. But I'm gonna go ahead and pack on some creamy sort of matte eyeshadow onto just like the parts where I put concealer on, so that, you know, it's looking a little bit more opaque in areas where, you know, I had patchy concealer applied. So let's see how that looks. Obviously, I took a chance and did the whole full cut crease with this tool, and I am not afraid to make mistakes in front of you guys. If anything, I want to show you guys just how it works fully, you know? And I feel like this isn't half bad. I mean, like, I was expecting it to be an epic fail, you guys. I was not expecting this tool to work at all, but so far for this eye, not looking half bad. With that said, let's try the other eye and see if, you know, I can make this happen on this eye. And you know, you still see like the residual concealer on here, but I'm just gonna apply concealer right on top of that. And I think the important part, which I'm kind of realizing, is making sure this edge at the top is completely clean, like no concealer here. That was a mistake I made on this eye. All right, now again, we're gonna repeat it. Second time's the charm. All right, let's go. That looks mighty messy, you guys. Okay, maybe this is another thing where I have to like fix it, you know? I don't just stamp it on and it's like a beautiful cut crease or anything. I have to like actually fix it with the brush. And a little bit of concealer got on the shadow portion, so it really looks significantly better after I fixed it with my brush. My impression was that you just stamp and go, you know? That's obviously not gonna work, judging by what we saw. And I'm wondering if it looks different on both eyes because I have like such different eyes. Like this one obviously has more of like a crease, like, or a fold going on than my other eye. I'm first gonna just wipe away this concealer because it's making a mess. It just fell off. Ooh, can I squish it back in? Oh, okay, it goes right back in. All right, you guys, so the final verdict of this weird cut crease stamper tool thingy is that it worked. It was definitely not like a stamp and go kind of deal. I still had to make sure that the lines were crisp and somewhat blended and fixed with a brush. But overall, it did kind of make it a little easier to create that whole like cut crease look because you just stamp all the concealer on one go and all you have to do is kind of maneuver the lines so that they were smoother and where you wanted it to be. So in my opinion, this stamp actually worked for my eyes. Now I don't know if it would work for yours, but it worked for mine, which I didn't think it would. So I'm very surprised, and this is the kind of softer cut crease look that I came out with this tool. And I must say, this is probably better than the cut crease that I can do on myself. So you know what? I might actually be using this for practical use of creating cut crease, just kind of on the go if I really don't have time to put the time and effort into creating a cut crease by adding concealer a little bit at a time to create that perfect carved out look. So you know what, this is actually a winner for me, and that's really surprising because, as I mentioned many times in this video, I did not think that this was gonna work, but you know what, it did. With that, that's pretty much it for this video and me trying this weird little tool out, and in this case it ended up being a winner. Nevertheless, I do hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and trying out this product with me and seeing the outcome. I hope you guys had a lot of fun just watching me fail and kind of be super duper shocked and surprised. Please be sure to let me know if you have any like requests or any kind of videos you want to see from me, because I'd be really interested to hear your opinion, obviously, because I want to create content that is, you know, beneficial to you guys and fun for you guys to watch. So be sure to let me know in the comment section below. With all of that said, remember you guys, you are beautiful, amazing, and marvelous, no matter what anybody else tries to tell you, and everything else that is negative towards you is a lie, okay? And I want you guys to believe that wholeheartedly, and I am always rooting for you, and I'm so grateful, you guys, that I have you in my fam. I really appreciate you. Alright guys, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.